SUCi, pulangnya lewat Jepara. Badanku pada geli, siapa ya yang jadi juara? Kembali lagi di SUCi X tambah 1 dekade.
Baiklah.
Gitu dong. Keren.
Kualitas hosting gak besar bro.
Keren ya.
Rambut gue kayak Alex Fabri ya.
Pasti semua udah gak sabar nih. Tadi kan udah 2 komika dan performnya luar biasa. Ger-ger banget.
Betul.
Kita akan lihat langsung penampilan kedua dari Chris. Ini dia, Chris!
Last week, Yono, Gautama, and Dwick, they all wore this. And they said, an Italian cannot be SUCi X champion. SUCi X champion has to be Javanese. And the audience applauded, the judges applauded. And I was like, this sucks. And so, you know what? Okay, you want a Javanese champion? Akui somas. Kulo Wonjowo. Everybody's keep telling me, oh, you're in the big 3 now, you're in the big 3. But it's crazy to me because I didn't even know what SUCi was. The day of the selection in Bali, Annie Yang called me and she was like, Chris, come here, you have to try SUCi. And I was like, okay, but only if it's not spicy. I thought it was a soup. I thought SUCi was short for soup clean cheese, SUCi. That's what I thought. But now, thanks to SUCi, everywhere I go, people tell me, can I take a picture with you? Can I take a picture with you? And I'm like, is it because of SUCi? No, you're a bule. And even my wife, she said, Chris, I am so proud of you. You're in the big 3. To celebrate, you can get anything you want. And I was like, you know what I want? Mundur. I don't even know what it means. Also, I want a dog. And immediately, she shut me down. She was like, no, I'm not a dog person. I'm a cat person. If you want, we can get a cat. And I don't know you guys, but I have a problem with authority. Because every time someone tells me I cannot do something, I really want to do that thing. So I snapped. I was like, listen, you told me I could get anything I want. You know what I want? I want a dog. Last time I checked, I'm paying all the bills. And most importantly, I'm a man. I'm a Javanese man now, okay? And a man get what he wants. So now we have 3 cats. And we have recessi as well, which I don't know what it means. Because even if I'm a Javanese man, my wife is an African woman. She's way stronger than me. And if you haven't seen my wife is a very beautiful, very black woman. And this is something that really bothers me, because when she was pregnant, all my Indonesian friends asked me the same question. Which color do you want your son to be? And I got so mad. I was like, first of all, you cannot choose the color of your son. And second, white. Of course I want a white. I want him to have an easy life, you know? I want him to be successful. I don't want him to be a comedian. That's what I want. But you know what? For me, it's very difficult to be motivated to go to the final and then to win. Because if you think about it, all the most successful comedians from SUCi, they all ended up 3rd. It's true. Kemal, 3rd place. Ernest Prakasa, 3rd place. The guy that won in the same season as Ernest Prakasa, Rian, is not even a comedian anymore. But you know who won SUCi? Regan. And I don't want to end up like him. I mean, look at him. For years, nobody even wanted Regan. And now he's just hosting. You know, I don't want to be the host, I want to be the judge. Also, another reason why I don't want to win is that if you win, they give you a car. What am I supposed to do? Drive back to Bali? I don't want to drive back to Bali. So you know what? Gautama, Yono, you two go ahead. Don't worry about it. Go ahead. You go to the final. Next season, you will be hosting with Regan, and I'll be up there judging and producing movies. Thank you very much.
Ini Mas.
Excuse me.
Piye kabare? Piye kabare? Piye kabare? Ah, ada dia. Kamu.
Piye kabare enak jamakuto. I had it.
Piye kabare enak zaman kuto.
I had it.
Bukan itu jawabannya.
Salah, bukan ini.
Pas ada orang ditanya piye kabare?
Ah,
Enak
sorry.
Itu tulisan truk, jangan lu tulis.
Jangan diikutin,
Jangan
Chris.
diikutin, Chris.
Bahaya.
Bahaya.
Ada gua di sini.
Enak zaman kuto. Ya Allah. Oke, kita langsung saja dengar komentar yang pertama. Silakan komentar dari Bang Raditya Dika.
Okay, Chris. First of all, I just hope that maybe you can ask Kompas to translate those two words, just to make it contextual, so you know the meaning and in a way put it in your set. So I think it's a missed opportunity to do it. But overall, I like your first performance better. So, anyways, good job.
Thank you, Mr. Raditya Dika. And next, please welcome Mbak Fanny Ross.
Hi, Chris. I don't know, but the second performance, I feel the emotion of anger there. I don't know why. Yes, it's like something that you want to say. It's like, I don't know. It's stress or like that's kind of emotion. No, you don't
Not
have.
angry.
But yeah, it's still funny. But yes, the first performance is way better. But this one is not bad, but okay.
Terima kasih Mbak Fanny Ross. Selanjutnya silakan Kakak Selin.
Masih ngobrol aja.
Sering ngobrol ya ini.
Ini Bang Komeng tuh.
Kenapa Bang Komeng?
Saimo.
Dia ngomongnya begitu.
Okay, Chris. How do you feel as a Japanese man now?
Java.
Very good.
Yeah? Okay.
I mean, this was a little bit too short, but I feel good.
Kekecilan ya?
Harusnya besok-besok suruh pakai sarung.
Pakai apa?
Sarung, biar lebih all out gitu.
Nah, kalau dia ke sarung, belangkonnya di bawah.
Tutupin. Iya. Kalau enggak deng.
Yeah, okay, Chris. For me, you still good, and this performance is way better than before. And you know what? That my sister is your fan. She likes to watch you hosting in Bali. Yeah, I hope I can see you in final.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Selin Evangelista. And next, please, Mr. Abdel in the home, yo.
Apa?
In the home. Komen, maksudnya komen.
Chris,
Chris,
di penampilan kedua,
this is the second of your performance.
gue juga ngerasain apa yang Fanny rasain.
I feel what Fanny feel.
Memang keresahannya dari kesel karena dua orang yang kemarin, tiga orang yang kemarin kayak bersatu padu untuk menyingkirkan Chris.
Because your initiative of 3 people of the last week of the you cut eliminate.
Iya, tapi sayangnya punchline-nya tidak terasa.
But the punchline is not feel to skin.
Feel to skin.
Terus akhirnya berasa karena itu yang kata 2 itu kan kayak kita lagi main improv komedi yang harus bacain sesuatu yang kita nggak tahu. Nah kalau di improv komedi karena kita nggak tahu apa yang mau kita bacain, begitu dibacain jadi agak konflik gitu ya, nggak sejalan sama apa yang diomongin gitu. Nah mungkin kalau tadi juga energinya bagus itu akan jadi lucu karena tidak ada konteks sama sekali, pengen anjing, pengen kucing, cuma pengen mundur lagi. Apakah ini tanda-tanda? Pengen mundur, terus pengen resesi juga. Nah, kalau tadi itu energinya ada mungkin jadi lucu, cuman karena tadi kayaknya energinya kurang jadi ya kayak sekedar nyebutin 2 kata itu aja, Hif.
The 2 word useless.
Dibacain apa? Di-readingin?
Ya, di-readingin, di-readingin. Jadi mudah-mudahan dengan jumlah yang pertama yang bagus, mudah-mudahan bisa lolos di grand final.
So I hope with your first performance and this performance you can pass to the grand final.
Wow.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you, Chris. Alhamdulillah ya Allah.
Terima kasih Cing Abdel. Selanjutnya silakan Bang Komeng.
Assalamualaikum, Chris. Assalamualaikum. Pak, ada di rumah, Pak.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Udah kamu jawab salam ya?
Wajib, Chris. Itu wajib.
Salam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Piye kabare, ape?
Piye kabare?
Piye kabare?
Api, ngono.
Api.
Anak
Api.
zaman
Say
kuno.
api.
You say api-api wae. Say api-api wae.
Api-api wae.
Ah, iku kelambine sapa?
The clothes. Who? You? By wardrobe. Who?
Your clothes.
Your
Now,
clothes.
this is what happened when I don't pay for my wardrobe. This was the production.
Oh, from wardrobe. From wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
You wrong, Blangkon, wrong. Is
Your blankon wrong. Your wear blankon is nok lep.
tuh
Nok lep. Nah.
bukan dari Jawa loh. Itu
Noklep
Sunda.
apa sih, Kit?
Blangkonnya kebalik. Jadi
Bilang aja Blangkono tekambek.
your blankon comeback. Terbalik ya?
Te-comeback. Terbalik.
Reverse.
Ah,
Reverse.
reverse. Wes mas.
Lu ngapain di belakang ya?
Why you hidden?
Yo, Hayden.
Hidden
Hai.
udah ngerti. Wes.
Thank you Mr. Komeng.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you, Chris.